Okay. Hi everyone. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about progressive web apps with Angular. My name is Marius Krakeli. I work at a consulting company in Norway. And originally the plan today was to show you a little bit about progressive web apps in general and show you how I implemented SW pre-cache with Angular since we no longer have the mobile flag in the CLI. But as I sat in my bed yesterday, going through my slides and trying to memorize them, I had to check a little detail. And I found this document on Google Drive, this open document. And it had this red text here. There is no more mobile flag available for CLI new command. I already knew that. But this one, here is the new way, run a command. And I thought to myself, okay, I have this presentation and I'm really tired, I have to sleep, but I really need to see what this command does. So I decided to throw away my whole presentation and see if we could implement a 100% functional progressive web app in Angular in under 10 minutes. So let's go ahead with a little bit of cheating, that is. So I have this new installation of Angular with the Angular CLI. And has any one of you used Lighthouse? Yeah, one. It's an open source tool built by Google, which you can install in your browser as a Chrome extension. And it puts out these reports of your web page on how well it does as a progressive web app. And when you initialize a new Angular app, it's already at 36%. And the goal is to get that to 100. So let's just take this command here, and we can actually open up the code and look at it. So here's the Angular CLI.json, and if we run this command here, we see that we get this service worker true flag in the Angular CLI.json. And you could just write service worker true there. I just had to see what the command did. And if we build this, we will get an error because we don't have the service worker package installed. So I hope the Wi-Fi is fast enough for this. In the meantime, I can show you my slide with this awesome responsive GIF that some of you may have not seen yet. Yes, it's yes. And it's done. Okay. So I've already gone ahead and deployed this to Firebase because progressive web apps needs to be served over HTTPS. And as you can see here, if we refresh this page, please internet data. And if we go to application and look under service workers, we can see that we have a service worker up and running. And what it has done is to put a service worker in the dist file and register it by putting the register script in the head of the index for us automatically. So out of the box, we have this service worker running. And if we refresh the page, we can see that everything is served from the service worker. The service worker has cached all our resources locally. And that's pretty cool. If we, and I'm just going to go ahead and skip over to another project that I have here. It's the same project, I just build further on it. Let's just open and see what it is. It's just some bad CSS, some very easy HTML, and some small little JavaScript. And if we look at this, this is what it looks like. I'm not going to push the button because it has a sound on it that I think it's copyrighted. So, but I will show you later. And if we try to run Lighthouse on this, after we install the service worker, let's just remove the developer tools. And this takes a little while. I hope it goes fast. You see here that it analyzes the whole application. And it's done, I think. Yeah, we're already up in 73%. And the good thing about Lighthouse is that you get this checklist of all the things that you have to do to come to 100. And as we see here, we are missing a manifest file. So let's go to the third tab here and open the code. And I already gone ahead and implemented it just so we can save some time, but it's not much code. I created, oh sorry, I'm in the dist folder. Let's see here. I created this Manifesto.json file and put it in the source folder of the application. And here you can define the name of your application, a short name, and other very cool properties, orientation for instance. And this file allows the user to install the application locally on their Android phone. So you can install it on your home screen and run it, and it will work offline thanks to the service worker. I also added the manifest JSON file reference in assets in the Angular CLI.json, and also add a link to it in the head of the index file. That's all that is to this manifest thing. So here's the final application, and if we run Lighthouse on it now, I hope we are at 100%. Let's see. I hope I picked the right tab. Yeah. So we are at 100% progressive web app. A little bit short on performance, but I guess it's because of the Wi-Fi. But we did it, and I hope you got inspired and could see that this is very, very easy. It's not a lot of work to get your web application to 100% progressive web app support. So I hope you all will go ahead and start implementing your web apps as progressive web apps instead. If anyone of you are interested in trying this stupid little application that I built, let's just skip. You can go to nghonker.cool and install it on your phone. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.